Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 2nd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Life is tough, huh? Life is tough. Life is tough with Palantir. It's not too bad today. It's not too bad. Closed at 12 cents lower, 0.99%. Closed at 12.06. So this is still higher than 11.94. And post-market, we are down 9 cents at 11.97. So we are still above the support at 11.94. We are still above there. We dipped lower today. Dipped lower today. But came back pretty good towards the end of the day. We are still hanging on there by a thread, I would say. It's not a frank break where we break and then we continue. We broke and we are maintaining ourselves there. Let's go see the 1 hour chart before looking at other things. So pretty much like Tesla today. So we came down during the first hour, sideways for 2 additional hours, and then boom, we came back up. This is a nice end of the day. On the 1 hour chart, so we have not yet reached 60 yet. There's still a little bit of shyness in this move. Not a lot. It's still nice that we are above 11.94, but it's almost as if the market does not really know what it wants to do. Yeah, it wants to go up, but there is fear in the market. And if we just take a look at the VIX a little bit, so the VIX is climbing even higher. Yesterday, it closed here. Today, it closed a little bit lower, but overall, in terms of the trend, it's still going higher. This is for sure having an impact on the stock market. If we didn't have what we have here in Russia and everything in inflation, the stock market would be taking off, I think, but now it's a little bit difficult. It is going better than I thought it would be going, but it's still hard. Going back on the daily chart, so we have stochastic at 50. So we have a hard time reaching our 60 here. MACD broke over bullish, so that's nice. That's nice. And with this little bar here, the length of the bar represents the distance between the blue line and the orange line. This is showing the strength of the bull trend. This seems to be a little bit higher. So we have this bar at 0.08 and this bar at 0.12. The bar is getting longer. RSI still under 50, but trend-wise, as I mentioned yesterday, trend-wise, this is good. And for DMI, this little dip that we had right here made things a little bit worse. So DMI did not like that we had this dip during the day. I'm still happy with my decision to wait before getting into Palantir because of stochastic, because with what happened today, I still need to see something else to be more confident in this stock from a technical perspective. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.